All right, everybody. Josh here at Mitch Amaro is going to make us a smoked old fashioned. So what are we starting with, Josh?
We start with 2 bar spoons of just our house-made simple syrup.
Got it.
Really simple. I do 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, and then 3 dashes of Regan's No. 6 orange bitters. Generally use 4 roses bourbon.
Very nice.
We do 2 ounces of that. Chill the glass, and notice that kind of helps pull the smoke down.
Yeah.
You actually smoke it.
Uh-huh.
So we'll start with that. Bites, and then we usually stir for about 30 seconds. I'll probably do a little bit shorter here.
Okay.
Just to reach dilution with the old fashioned. Good stir here.
We're going to strain it and keep the ice out of it.
There you go.
I like it. Just chilled, no cube or anything.
Yeah, we like to chill the glass and chill the
I think that's the way to go.
itself pretty well, so we keep the cube out. And just keep it nice. We do just kind of a big swath of orange to get the orange oils in there. And the glass. Usually use the
Mesquite, that's the popular choice here.
That's just kind of seems to be the one that people prefer.
Got it.
We have several of them back here. We've got oak, hickory, and mesquite. And just let's see, smoke start to go down.
Yep.
I usually let that sit for about a minute or 2.
Okay. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
Smoked old fashioned. Most popular item here at Mitch.